If you are using a Windows 11 PC or laptop, you might have encountered a common issue with File Explorer. It becomes slow, unresponsive, and takes forever to load files, especially when dealing with large files or deep searches. But don't worry, today I'll share a simple yet powerful registry trick that will boost your File Explorer speed and make it run smoothly. So without any delay, let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. It's free and helps me bring more valuable content to you. File Explorer can become slow or unresponsive due to various reasons. Sometimes it can be due to large file sizes and directories, background indexing processes, system cache buildup, or registry settings that cause delays. By tweaking a simple registry setting, we can fix this file and improve File Explorer's performance instantly. Head to your taskbar and then click on the Windows search bar icon. Type in Registry Editor. From the search results, click on Registry Editor. Click Yes when prompted by the user account control. Now, you should see the Registry Editor window open. In the Registry Editor, from the left-hand menu, double-click on H key Current User. Next, double-click on Software. Then scroll down and find a folder named Classes. Double-click on the Classes. Scroll down to find a folder named Local Settings. Once you find it, double-click on it to expand it. Under Local Settings, double-click on Software, then double-click on Microsoft. Next, double-click on Windows, and then select the shell folder. Instead of navigating manually, you can copy and paste this path in the Registry Editor's address bar. I will include it in the video description. This will take you directly to the required location. For the next step, we will be creating a new registry key. Once you've selected the shell folder, head to the right side of the Registry Editor. Right-click on an empty space, and then select New, and then select Strange Value. Now, rename the new value as Folder Type. You type it exactly as you see here. Once you are done, double-click on the folder type and set the value data as not specified. Once you are done typing the not specified, click on OK and then close the Registry Editor. Now for the next step, we'll be applying the changes. To apply the changes, you need to restart File Explorer or reboot your computer. To restart File Explorer, right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Scroll down to find Windows Explorer. If you don't have it here, you can manually search from the search bar. If you don't see it, open File Explorer manually from your computer and then right-click on the File Explorer and select Restart. Either way, you can restart your PC manually. If you prefer, you can simply restart your computer and the changes will take effect. Now, when you open File Explorer, navigation will be much faster. Searching for files will be instant, no more not responding issues. I have personally tested this method on multiple PCs and it works perfectly every time. So give it a try and let me know your results in the comments. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below if this worked for you or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.